What's the meaning of Ben-Hur? Ben-Hur. Ben-Hur.
Ben-Hur. Ben-Hur. Ben-Hur is a novel by Lew Wallace, first published in 1880. The story follows the life of a Jewish prince named Judah Ben-Hur, who is wrongly accused of attempting to assassinate a Roman governor and is subsequently sentenced to life as a galley slave. Throughout the story, Ben-Hur's life intersects with that of Jesus Christ, and he eventually becomes a Christian. The novel explores themes of revenge, justice, and redemption. Ben-Hur has been adapted into several films, including the famous 1959 version starring Charlton Heston, which won 11 Academy Awards. The name Ben-Hur derives from the Hebrew name Ben-Hur, meaning son of Hur.